Mwebale kujja kufumba ne afro carol. Olwaleero tugenda kufumba mandazi, coconut mandazi. Wali oliddeko coconut mandazi oba togiryangako? Jangu mufumbiro lyange nkuyigiriza engeri gye nfumbamu coconut mandazi today. So today we are making coconut mandazi. Here I have 4 eggs already been put here. I have mine. This is the secret. And I have this. Then I have warm milk. Amata gabugumye gemalungi for mandazi. Katutandike okumixinga ebirungo byaffe okufumba mandazi. Mwebale kunjagala, mwebale kulaba YouTube channel yange. Katonda abawe omukisa. Katutandike. Wano nina sukali n'ebikopo ebipima bibino. Oba tobirira ng'ogula bino bye byange. Ngenda kukozesaayo kino. Kimu ongeramu katono. Then for the salt, I forgot the salt. This ones, this is the baby one for the salt. My mandazi, I always put some salt. And then one for my pumpkin pie. You can do a lot as the way you feel like. This is like 2 spoons which went in there for cardamom. And cardamom eyamba ko usulwa maji oba toyagala olusuulu amaji engeri gye gawunyamu kozesa kadamu taddemu 2.5 because it is not bad, it's good. The smell itself is amazing. Even this one I can add some more. Not bad. It's like 3, it is even done. Is the coconut. Coconut I'm going to measure with this. This is 25 ml. 1, 4 will be enough. I don't want to put too much. So I have to take a moment. Okay. Done. Last but not least, put on. Then you have to take a moment. But then you know because such a chikopo chiramba, but it is too big because in a cause of mandazi munji, and I cause this one. This is like 125 ml. I'll use it 1 and just half of it. That much. You don't need to put again too much oil because this milk is already a cup. That's enough. Then I whisk. Hope you're able to see. Self-raising flour. Say that I'm going to baking powder. Maybe already been mixed. So I need to try. Then 1 cup. This is 2 cups. And this is the third one. This one I'll put it first. Let's put it aside. In case it's not enough, let's mix. Mix with me. Kile ekikopo nakyo nkyongeddemu so ekyalimu kopo akabulamu katono. Katwongeremu kusa little flour. tugibikago gireke okurisinga ezimbemu oba bagita batya kuzimba ku rising. Tulyoke tufumbe mandazi. See you there when I'm making mandazi. Hello people, here we are going to start cooking our mandazi. Let me add some oil. Kasera katusa okufumba mandazi yafeyidde. Ntekeko buto. Atadeko mangi nnyo kala ndakulinde very hot. Sokolabe mulabe kiraba kirisinze bulungi ate kakonda bulungi nnyo. Katufumbe. Waliwo abakikola nga asereramu just asunaabusuni n'engalo nga kisula kukutu. Eyange nkikola bwenti. Kakolete kumpi olabe. Look. See how I've rolled it. So I use this cup to cut it. Ngasala kabalagala. Naye ngeno mandazi gwasalawo kintu gyoyagala. Ate ezo zenjagala. Ebirala nyinza okubisalasalamu n'akantu. So our oil is ready, guys. You can see. See? Obotaddemu mandazi bwenti. Okyusa mangu. Eremu okuzimba. Nga bwe nkitaddeko bw'atyo. Saagala erabike. Laba mandazi yaffe. Coconut mandazi. It is looking so delicious. This is coconut mandazi, guys. This is what I'm making today. I'll put all the process how I made it, what I put in the description. You can see. Don't let it burn. That brown that burns, no, that's not good. Make sure it is looking so full like that. That's cooked. We are putting it here. So this is the second last. Bino byetumaliriza okufumba ebyo tutulolinga erisemba erino bisala n'ekikopo nasaga ekiri nakozesa kimugisirira. We are done. See, last but not least, This is the last one. We're done, guys. Mwebale kulaba YouTube channel yange. Mwebale ddala neyanza. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So today we are ending here. We are done with our mandazi. This is for tomorrow breakfast. God bless all of you. I wish you a good night.